Why do you say you kiss the ground I walk on? I ought to be killed. I'm so exhausted. If I could just rest. I'm a seagull. No, that's not it. I'm an actress. So he's here too. What does it matter? He never believed in the theatre. He laughed at my dreams. And little by little I lost faith too. And then there was the pressure of love, the jealousy, constant worry about my little one. I became mediocre, pitiful. My acting made no sense anymore. I didn't know how to stand on the stage. I didn't know what to do with my hands. I didn't know how to control my own voice. You have no idea what it feels like to know you're acting badly. I'm a seagull. Remember when you shot that seagull? One day he walks by and he sees her and for lack of anything better to do destroys her. A plot for a short story. No, that's not it. I'm a real actress now. And I perform with joy, with ecstasy, and when I'm on stage, I feel beautiful. And you know, while I've been here, I've been thinking, and I feel my spirit growing stronger every day, and I've come to realize, Kostya, what our work is about. Whether it's performing or writing, it's not about the glory and the glitter and the things that I used to dream about. It's about having the strength to endure. The strength to bear one's cross and have faith. I have faith now, and it's not so painful anymore. And when I think about my calling, I am not afraid of life. I'm not.